Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to leave Teamspace in Notion. First, navigate to the name of your workspace and click on that. Then click on Settings and here simply click on Teamspaces. Now in order to leave a workspace or a Teamspace, you will have to firstly be in the Teamspace. So right now select the Teamspace that you want to leave and click on these three dots next to it. Then select Leave Teamspace. Confirm with this big red button Leave Teamspace. But keep in mind that you will no longer see this Teamspace in your sidebar and you may lose permissions to the Teamspace pages. If you are sure, just click on Leave Teamspace. Now as you can see, left all Teamspace. So when you can see this this message, that means that you left the Teamspace successfully. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.